Okay, so I'm on the boat and someone might be coming, but here's the entry. A couple tables and chairs, and so this is a couch that folds out into a bed. There's the helm. Good size good size kitchen area. We could put chairs here for little bar stools, maybe. This does not fold out to a couch. Decent TV. Lots of cabinet space. This is double refrigerators and double freezers. Decent stove. I mean, adequate cabinet space. Then this is a storage locker for whatever he's. Oh, that's actually not that. That's the pantry. The next one is like a storage locker for whatever. And then more cabinets. This is a really nice, spacious bathroom. Like full-on, full-size bathroom. So you could store your towels easily. The window. Real shower. Imagine that in a boat. There's your potty. And this goes up to the penthouse. This is where there's sleeping space. I'll come back here in a second. Then you have another bathroom here, half bath. Desk area. And just in case I want to have another baby. And then here's a sleeping area right here. It's really cute with a gigantic TV. And looks like, I don't know what that wall is, but the wood flooring is cute. And this here is more closet space. So the way the sleeping would take place, if I could do this with my camera, hang on. The sleeping would be kind of weird because if one of us sleeps in the bed downstairs, then this is the sleeping stuff for nighttime. So basically, probably what I would do is put the kids, there's a vent. I could probably put the kids' pods up here with twin mattresses in them. And this could be the kids' area and I could sleep downstairs.